The residents of Mataraya may be poor, but they are thrilled at the discovery. Archaeologists believe this neighborhood is built over the ancient city of Heliopolis, the city of the sun. Ancient Egyptians believe here is where the world was created.
The Egyptians believed that the sun god is still present somehow. That's why no Egyptian king ever had a residence in Heliopolis. Never. That was never capital, because it was still occupied by number one. And he had to, every king had to prove that he's a good king by erecting monuments here.
All the recovered pieces from the discovery have been brought to this place. Grand statues, part of columns and walls of what is expected to be a grand ancient Egyptian architecture underneath this land. But archaeologists are saying that the buildings here that surrounds the site and have been built randomly are a big challenge for them to complete their discovery.
I cannot make more excavation because the houses are here. I'm not sure of the quality of the infrastructure of these houses, and I cannot put their life in danger. So I cannot dig further. I would like to, because as you saw, the Colossus was in its back, and maybe if there are legs, they are in this direction. So I cannot dig further. This is a big challenge.
Still, it's a fantastic discovery. And just a little further from the Colossus, archaeologists are seeking soil samples. Professor Morgan de Dapper's job is to figure out how ancient structures were laid out.
We have a layer which is still silt, so it's Nile, but mixed with a lot of sherds of limestone. So maybe this is just an old foundation of a temple or something like that. Huh?
So
you see?
This is a huge discovery.
No, it's quite normal here.
It's quite normal.
In Egypt, yes.
Oh, okay.
It should be rare not to find it.
It's believed the statue may be as tall as 9 meters. The name of the great pharaoh Ramses II is engraved on it, but experts say the statue could be of a far older king. Adel, Mahrouky, CGTN, Cairo.